back, and today I got a new Boxcar, which is a Conrail Boxcar that I got. And by the way, this is a Lionel Boxcar that I had. And by the way, let's get it started. Alright, I just took out of a package, and here's a Lionel Conrail Boxcar. Releasing from a 2020 catalog, they are announced to be going to have a Conrail Boxcars along with that ones. I have a Conrail 1664-2. This is pretty much feature of this Boxcar. It's just wrapped up, and now I can take it out. Let's take it out. And here we are. This is a Conrail Boxcar. It does have a coupling, so you can snap on each other. It does a yellow door. Here's one goes, which is Conrail. And let's put it on the track. And we have a comparison between Conrail and Boxcar. It looks like I got the largest all-scale boxcars that I have in inventory. Those are the old-fashioned wheels. And Pam is shortened. And right there. By the way, let's put on the track. Fits pretty well. I also got Thomas, which is I reviewed it in like few weeks ago, or even a month now. So let's power up a track and let's get this going. It didn't cover all the way, so I'm going to adjust it. Let's try again, Thomas. Almost. Going to cover to work that time.
All aboard!
Let's begin a test run. Alright, it's time for belly. Let's give a horn. It's not that heavy, Thomas. So you're going strong.
Everyone is coming through!
Very cool. Let's see it works on Bluetooth. That was a weird glitch I've never seen that before. I just tried to pet country because Lionel steam will go up, and now it leads Thomas this time. So I have to remove it. I don't have additional RNG engines as of right now. So let's begin test run of a brand new Conrail Boxcar. Go! Never mind. I won't do voice control because of that. I'll try again. Go!
Going to slow speed.
Medium.
I'm sorry, I don't recognize them.
Let's try again. Medium.
I'm sorry, I don't recognize that command.
Medium.
Going to medium speed.
Stop.
Stopping the engine.
Very cool. Indeed. Cool. Let's just command Bluetooth for now. And here's a common boxcar that I had. It does have sliding doors, as usual. I won't Never mind. It does have both sides. For Virginia, it's harder to get slide doors. Oh, you have to be gentle with these. And by the way, I'm going to show you a glitch I had on my Bluetooth. Never mind, it got away. So let's continue the test run.
All aboard.
It lasted like a few seconds with that bell.
Number one engine coming through.
Horn. Horn.
I'm sorry, I don't
Horn. Horn. Horn.
I'm sorry.
Horn. Horn. Whistle. Whistle. Whistle.
I'm sorry.
Whistle.
I'm sorry.
Go.
I'm sorry, I don't know.
Whistle is trying to do something weird, but I don't know. But when you get done saying you're probably doing that. Horn.
I'm sorry, I don't.
Horn. Horn.
Activating the whistle.
There you go. Oh, I'm actually not over a 12 though. So don't forget, it did not get going on that
I'm
time.
sorry, I don't recognize that command.
Oh, I keep forgetting that one. Alright.
I'm
Yep.
sorry, I don't recognize that command.
Sorry about that. It's just a minute weird happens right now. So, here, that concludes in this video. So, what do you think about the Conrail Boxcar? It looks pretty awesome, to be honest. The also body is brown, the doors are yellow. That looks awesome, to be honest. It also couplings in both sides. And by the way, It does have doors on it, as you can see. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. There's no way I can just command it. And here's the glitch we're having. Let's give a remote. Oh, I can reboot. Oh, never mind. I can reboot the app. I can use a... Oh, it did! Never mind. I didn't know there's a boo-boo command there. Thank you so much for watching about Boxcar, and I'll see you next time.